This video covers the detailed list template of the Engagement Element Designer. It includes tips to get started, suggestions on how to choose an engagement element, an example of an inspiration EE, and then an example of the blank page builder and how the page builder was used to build the inspiration engagement element. There are no limits to the number of engagement elements that can be created, but for ease of navigation, 8 is ideal. Permissions are required to be able to create engagement elements. And engagement elements are created under CSR Connect Client Admin Portal under the Engagements menu. Segmentation can allow for individualized and customized experience within each segment. With additional, more configurable options, knowing which engagement element to choose can be complicated. Here are some suggestions for this particular template at the top, with a broader guide to selections in the boxes below. For training and approachability, we'll do a demonstration of an inspiration engagement element to demonstrate usage, and then we'll do a general walkthrough of creating that engagement element. The detailed list template is a vertical single column arrangement of text, image, and button layout with versatile usage. It begins with a heading and then includes text which can have links. There's a dividing line and then an image, in this case non-linking, text, and buttons. These are different examples of button functionality. This one takes you to a different page within the CSR Connect community, and it opens in a separate tab. The next one is an example of a button that takes you to an external page outside of the CSR Connect community. And then the third option is an external button that takes you within the CSR Connect community, but to another engagement element. You may add as many of these widgets as are needed. The Page Builder section of Engagement Element Design is the third tab after selecting a template and completing the Details page. The template for Detailed List is pretty straightforward. It involves a heading, text, and a dividing line. To edit any widget, click the pencil icon. It also has an extremely efficient functionality available wherein it considers this entire section one entire widget, so you can copy the whole thing rather than having to copy individual widgets. You may also opt to delete an entire segment by clicking the trash can icon. Now we'll walk through the page builder of our inspiration engagement element to demonstrate additional functions. The inspiration engagement element made minor modifications to the standard template and demonstrated 3 button usages. The modification included adding an additional text widget. To add a widget, click Copy, and an exact duplication will be made. This widget contains a link. To edit a widget, click the pencil icon, and it uses basic markdown functionality. In this case, to add the link, click the icon at the end of the row. The next functionality involved buttons. The first button link was an internal link. To edit a widget, click the pencil icon, and you'll see that we set it to link to internal page, and with this setting, there's the generation of a list of pages available within the CSR Connect community. The next button functionality was an external page. Again, click the pencil icon, and link to external page is a default setting. Page to link to is a required setting, and you would paste the link in that bar. Open in a new tab is a default setting. Unchecking this box will take someone out of the site and require the back button to navigate back to CSR Connect. The third button functionality was an external link to an internal page. Again, choose Link to external page, but we linked to an engagement element. So to grab the URL for an engagement element, you can go to the right-hand side and hover over the 3 lines. The second command is copy URL. If you click on it, there aren't any additional visual cues, but it did copy the URL, and then you paste it into the bar.